Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting adventure lined up for you as we take a journey through the fascinating world of the TraindeLArdèche, a hidden gem in the heart of France. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing travel content. Alright, let's dive into the unknown facts about the TraindeLArdèche. Brief introduction. The TraindeLArdèche, also known as the Ardèche Steam Railway, is a historic railway line nestled in the stunning Ardèche region of France. It offers an enchanting journey through time and picturesque landscapes. But did you know that this railway has some hidden secrets that make it even more intriguing? Let's discover them. Oldest steam engine. One of the most remarkable facts about the TraindeLArdèche is that it boasts one of the oldest steam locomotives still in operation. Dating back to 1882, this steam engine has been lovingly restored to its former glory and continues to chug along these tracks, giving passengers an authentic 19th-century experience. A 19th-century atmosphere. As you board the TraindeLArdèche, you'll step into a time machine. The railway has meticulously preserved its carriages, and you'll find yourself surrounded by the charm and elegance of the 19th century. The vintage decor, plush seats, and antique luggage racks make it feel like you're in a period film. A living museum. Did you know that the TraindeLArdèche is also home to a fascinating railway museum? Inside, you'll find an extensive collection of historical railway artifacts, including old uniforms, signaling equipment, and even vintage photographs that showcase the rich history of this railway. The haunted tunnel. Here's a spooky fact for you thrill-seekers. The TraindeLArdèche passes through a tunnel that has been the subject of many ghostly legends. Locals say they've heard eerie sounds and seen mysterious lights within. While it's likely just the stuff of local folklore, it adds an extra layer of intrigue to your journey. Unique views of the Ardèche region. The Ardèche region is known for its stunning natural beauty, and the TraindeLArdèche offers some of the most unique views of this picturesque landscape. As you travel through the heart of the Ardèche, you'll be treated to breathtaking vistas of lush vineyards, rolling hills, and charming villages that seem frozen in time. Gastronomic delights. Here's a secret that foodies will appreciate. The TraindeLArdèche doesn't just offer a feast for the eyes, it also tantalizes your taste buds. The onboard dining car serves delectable regional dishes and local wines, allowing you to savor the flavors of the Ardèche as you ride the rails. Hidden art onboard. As you explore the TraindeLArdèche, keep an eye out for hidden artistic gems. Some of the carriages feature stunning hand-painted murals and intricate artwork that tell stories of the region's history and culture. It's like traveling through an open-air art gallery. Celebrity visitors. Would you believe that this unassuming railway has welcomed its fair share of celebrities? Over the years, famous personalities like writers, actors, and even royalty have hopped aboard the TraindeLArdèche, seeking the charm and nostalgia of this unique railway experience. Vineyard connections. The TraindeLArdèche isn't just a mode of transportation, it's also closely linked to the region's winemaking history. The railway played a pivotal role in transporting grapes and wine barrels from the vineyards to various destinations. To this day, wine enthusiasts can explore local vineyards and enjoy wine tastings along the route. Unique soundtrack. As you ride the TraindeLArdèche, you'll notice a distinct soundtrack accompanying your journey. The railway has its own sound artist, who creates a unique audio experience by blending sounds of the steam engine, nature, and even local musicians. It adds an immersive layer to the ride, making it a multi-sensory adventure. Vintage attire experience. For those seeking the ultimate immersion, the TraindeLArdèche offers a unique experience where passengers can dress in vintage attire, including conductor uniforms, top hats, and bonnets. It's a fantastic way to step back in time and feel like a part of history during your journey. An enchanting winter ride. While the TraindeLArdèche is undoubtedly a summer favorite, it transforms into a winter wonderland during the colder months. The railway offers special winter rides, allowing you to experience the magic of snow-covered landscapes and cozy, heated carriages for a different kind of adventure. A wildlife haven. The Ardèche region is known for its rich biodiversity, and the TraindeLArdèche offers a unique opportunity to spot wildlife from the comfort of your seat. Keep your eyes peeled for deer, foxes, and a variety of bird species as you traverse through this natural haven. Hidden stations. Finally, did you know that the TraindeLArdèche has a few hidden and abandoned stations along its route? Some of these stations have been beautifully preserved, while others are slowly being reclaimed by nature, creating a sense of mystery and intrigue along the railway's path. Steam engine specifics. The steam engines used on the TraindeLArdèche are not just any old locomotives. They are meticulously maintained masterpieces, and did you know that some of them are over a century old? The technical intricacies and the dedication of the railway's engineers are a true testament to the spirit of preservation. The longest narrow-gauge railway. What makes the TraindeLArdèche even more exceptional is that it holds the title of being the longest narrow-gauge railway in France. The narrow-gauge tracks provide a unique and more intimate experience as you wind your way through the stunning Ardèche landscapes. Secret carriage. The royal car. Here's a secret that not many know about. The TraindeLArdèche has a royal carriage. This carriage was once used by European royalty and is lavishly decorated with regal furnishings, offering a glimpse into the opulent travel of a bygone era. Timeless ticket designs. The TraindeLArdèche is known for its attention to detail, and that extends to their tickets as well. Each ticket is a work of art, featuring intricate designs and illustrations that pay homage to the railway's heritage and the beautiful Ardèche region. A rolling movie star. Movie buffs will be intrigued to know that the TraindeLArdèche has made appearances in several films. Its vintage charm and picturesque surroundings have made it a popular location for filmmakers looking to capture the essence of a bygone era on the silver screen. Railway mail service. In its early days, the TraindeLArdèche also served as a vital link for the postal service. Trains carried mail and packages to remote villages, ensuring that communication reached even the most isolated corners of the Ardèche region. Restoration efforts. The TraindeLArdèche's restoration efforts are a labor of love. Volunteers, historians, and railway enthusiasts dedicate their time to preserve and restore carriages, railway infrastructure, and even the stations. It's a community effort that keeps this heritage railway alive and thriving. Mystery of the missing track. One intriguing mystery surrounds a missing section of track on the TraindeLArdèche. Local legend suggests that it was intentionally removed during wartime to prevent enemy forces from using the railway. To this day, the exact location of the missing track remains a mystery. A whistle with character. The TraindeLArdèche's steam whistle isn't just for signaling. It has its own unique personality. The railway's engineers have perfected the art of creating distinct whistles, and each one has its own signature tune, adding to the railway's charm and mystique. The railway and World War II. The TraindeLArdèche played a significant role during World War II as a vital transportation link. It was used to transport resistance fighters, supplies, and even Allied spies through the region's rugged terrain, all while evading the watchful eyes of the enemy. The unusual turning locomotive. Ever heard of a turning locomotive? The TraindeLArdèche features a unique turning platform at the Le Master station. It allows locomotives to be manually rotated 180 degrees, making it possible to change the direction of the train without needing a turntable or a roundhouse. Railway postcards and souvenirs. Collectors take note. The TraindeLArdèche has been featured on countless postcards and souvenirs over the years. These collectibles often showcase the stunning scenery and the nostalgic charm of the railway, making them coveted items for enthusiasts. The ghostly conductor. Rumor has it that the spirit of a former conductor still roams the carriages of the TraindeLArdèche. Passengers and staff have reported hearing footsteps and the clinking of brass buttons late at night. Is it the ghostly conductor keeping watch over the railway? The TraindeLArdèche's symbolic mascot. Every railway needs a mascot, right? Well, the TraindeLArdèche has one, a cute and cuddly stuffed bear. This bear represents the railway's commitment to preserving the Ardèche's natural beauty and wildlife, making it a symbol of environmental conservation. Railway-themed festivals. The TraindeLArdèche isn't just about the train rides, it's also known for its lively festivals celebrating railway culture. These events feature live music, vintage fashion parades, and even steam engine showcases, providing a unique way to experience the railway's heritage. The secret schedule. In the past, the TraindeLArdèche had a secret train schedule known only to a select few. This hidden timetable was used during wartime to discreetly transport resistance members and sensitive materials. It's a fascinating piece of history hidden in plain sight. Vintage advertising posters. The TraindeLArdèche has a treasure trove of vintage advertising posters that date back to the early 20th century. These posters not only promoted the railway but also captured the spirit of the times, featuring Art Deco designs and vibrant colors that are a feast for the eyes. The Singing Station Master. Meet the Singing Station Master. At one of the Ardèche stations, the station master is known for serenading departing and arriving passengers with traditional songs, adding a delightful musical element to the railway experience. The Hidden Water Tank. Here's an intriguing fact. The TraindeLArdèche has a concealed water tank hidden in the forest. This secret water supply allowed steam engines to refuel and continue their journey through the remote areas of the Ardèche region. Hidden Artifacts. The TraindeLArdèche is like a time capsule, and some of its carriages have hidden artifacts tucked away. From century-old travel journals to forgotten letters, these relics provide a glimpse into the lives of past passengers and the history of the railway. The inspiration for literature. Did you know that the TraindeLArdèche has inspired literature? Several renowned authors have woven the enchanting experiences of this railway into their novels, making it a muse for storytelling and adventure. Smoke ring traditions. One quirky tradition on the TraindeLArdèche involves creating smoke rings with the steam engine's exhaust. Passengers often participate in friendly competitions to see who can blow the most impressive smoke rings while enjoying the journey. Nighttime mystery rides. For thrill seekers and mystery lovers, the TraindeLArdèche offers special nighttime rides with a mysterious twist. And there you have it, mes amis, some lesser-known but utterly fascinating facts about the TraindeLArdèche. If you're ever in France and want to experience a journey through time and nature like no other, be sure to hop on board this magical railway. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers.